Cloudy at Lords, cloudy across many parts of the country, in actual fact, Rita. And there's always a bit of dampness in the air here and there as well. But things are changing in the northwest of the UK. I've never been here, but I'd like to go. This is the Western Isles, could be the Caribbean, apart from the temperatures, that is. And we actually had a wet start in this part of Scotland and Northern Ireland this morning. This is the radar picture over the past few hours. I mentioned that low pressure. There it is through Saturday and into Sunday. Going to bring some windy weather actually this weekend, particularly for northern Scotland. We could actually have gales here. And it's across the north and western Scotland that we'll see most of the rain over the weekend. A few showers across the rest of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. But further south, it may well be dry. Temperatures, nothing sparkling for the time of year, and it'll be blustery a weekend for all of us.
Good afternoon. It has been a largely cloudy day so far. You can see the rather overcast skies at King's Cross earlier on this morning, and the cloud actually has been thick enough. It's been producing a little bit of light patchy rain and drizzle. Not everywhere, but one or two spots reported that. So this cold front you can see edging towards us. It's not going to reach us until the nighttime period tonight. In the meantime, we're hanging on to the cloud, but also some breaks just developing through the afternoon means some brighter spells, maybe even some glimpses of sunshine. Into the weekend, it is looking largely dry, some sunny spells as well, and temperatures staying in the low to mid-20s.
Well, if the humid weather is playing havoc with your hair, you're not alone. Look at these little ones. Hopefully they make you feel a little bit better. Now we've got a warm and muggy night to come and a wet start by tomorrow morning, rain overnight, but the day does improve, sunny spells heading our way and feeling a bit fresher tomorrow. So with a bit of rain tomorrow morning, those pollen levels should just come down a bit, more moderate, but they are still quite high at the moment with the fine weather as we go through towards the end of the week. From us all here, we'll see you later on. Have a great evening. Cheerio. Hello.
Hi there, Sophie. Thank you very much. Good evening to you. It's been a rather cloudy, very humid day across England and Wales, but central and east and southeastern areas will stay dry but rather cloudy throughout the day. And those temperatures, again, highs of 20 to 22 degrees, a bit cooler further north. And then into the weekend, low pressure sits the north of the country, so wet and windy for the north of Scotland, but for much of the country, actually, it looks like it'll be fine. A lot of sunshine around, just a few showers here and there, mainly towards the west. It'll feel a little bit fresher as well. See you later. Sophie.
It was humid at times, a bit muggy. A few times I thought it was actually going to rain, but it didn't.
There is some rain on the forecast, Assad, for tonight, and the humidity will clear as well tomorrow, so things will be feeling a lot fresher for all of us. Good evening to you. Yes, a very muggy feel out there. If we had more sunshine around, it could have been even warmer. Temperatures hit close to the mid-20s there. Tomorrow, though, it will feel a lot fresher. We'll lose the humidity, and it'll be brighter with some sunshine.
Hello there. There has been a lot of cloud around today. Cloudy skies at Lords for the Test match. Some parts of England, though, have seen some sunshine coming through. For example, here in Hampshire, it's been very muggy and very warm across many parts of England. Scotland and Northern Ireland will be turning cooler and fresher with some sunshine around, mind you. That sunshine followed the rain that we started the day with. And around that, we're going to find some stronger winds, particularly for northern parts of the UK, touching gale force maybe in northern Scotland. And that's where we're going to see most of the rain Saturday and into Sunday. Some showers and a bit of sunshine for Scotland and Northern Ireland. One or two showers for northern England, but further south, it should be dry.
Now, as we said last night, it's been the hottest June on record and pretty dry, of course, too, with many places crying out for rain. So, will July bring any relief? Alex is here. Will it?
Well, there is a bit of rain as we head through the rest of June into the beginning part of July, and temperatures are on the way back down. They're cooling off, but as we were saying yesterday, it looks like this June is going to be the hottest June on a record. And it's also been quite dry, as we were just saying, although we've had a few dry, some thundery downpours here and there amongst all that heat as well. But rainfall-wise, we've had 42.4 millimetres of rain across the UK. That's just 55% of the average that we should be seeing. And of course, it's been sunnier than average, 1.5 times what we would expect. But let's take a closer look at the rainfall. And as you can see on the map here, the darker brown colours represent areas that have seen very little rainfall, but you can see the white areas where it has been closer towards average. But as we head further south, you can see where the big problems are across East Anglia and the south east, pushing into Kent, and also across southern parts of Wales and also the West Country. And this kind of runs in correlation with some of the hosepipe bans which are currently in place. But as I say, there are chances that we will get some rain as we head through the next few days, but we're not going to get enough rain to top up those reservoirs. Some of that rain could be on the heavy side. As I say, welcome rain considering the stats that we're seeing at the moment. And then looking further ahead as we creep towards the weekend, it stays quite changeable, further sunny spells, but temperatures do creep back up towards the end of the weekend, 25 on Sunday. So that's the way it's looking. As I say, some welcome rain over the next few days, but most of it up towards the northwest, but down towards the southeast, certainly some rain first thing tomorrow morning.
All right. Alex, thank you for that.